Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the latest version of the Firefox web browser that's been released today, October the 23rd. So Firefox 63 is available for anybody who wants to download and install. I do recommend, because it does have, every time there's a new version, some security fixes, so it'll stay safe by having the latest version. How do you do that? If you don't know where to look, simply start Firefox, go into the upper right corner for the menu, go into Help, and here you'll go to About Firefox. If you're not already there, it's going to update itself automatically once you reach there to version 63.0, as you see here. So what did they do in here? Of course, I talked about the security fixes that are here, but there's a few other things also that are new in Firefox 63. So first of all, they have performance and visual improvements for Windows. So they moved the build infrastructure of Firefox to the Clang tool chain. So that actually apparently gives performance boosts. Also, the dark theme matches the Windows 10 dark theme. Okay. Performance improvement for Mac also, if you're on a Mac computer. So this is of course a update that's available for both Mac, for Windows, for Linux. So Firefox of course is very interesting browser to get if you or to update if you have it. They resolved some issues that prevented the address bar from autofill. Sometimes you would actually punch in a URL that you go to regularly, it wouldn't autofill. So that's of course fixed. Also, in here they have now added a feature which actually, lets you, if you want, run or subscribe to the Proton VPN. Okay, I don't know what to think about that, because I mean it costs less to just subscribe to the Proton VPN by itself. But if you want to help Mozilla, it's a way to have share of revenue, of course, for what's happening. They resolved a few little things. Some websites weren't actually working well, so that's also something that they've kind of fixed. Now, one of the things that it does also is that with the latest version, the tracking controls have changed. So you now will see when a website has trackers that are either blocked, and you don't want to have, sometimes you don't want to have the tracking of all the websites. You want to have a little more privacy. It was already within Firefox, but the thing is with the privacy is that they've actually tweaked the tracking and the privacy tracking. So when you actually start to block the privacy tracking or the tracking of different websites, they've carefully chose to actually make the tracking that they prevent from appearing, or the trackers from actually breaking a website. One of the biggest problems when you actually block trackers is that a lot of websites detect it and say, hey, nope, you're not going to be here on this website, or it just doesn't show up properly because of the tracking that's being blocked. It's a way for them to make sure that you don't block it. But Mozilla has been working more on tracking and helping out here with the content blocking and the tracking protection. So once you're there, you'll be able to see if you've got some tracking that's blocked or not in different websites, and it will show up actually in the URL. You'll have new icons to show you what's going to happen. Of course, if you have a Firefox account, you will now sync securely because it will be encrypted. All the data will be uploaded to the cloud, Firefox cloud, and if you have Firefox on different devices, syncing across devices, of course. As I said, there will be some security updates also in here, so it's important to try to update to the latest version just to stay safe. Of course, there's other things for developers and so on. So check it out. The latest version of Firefox 63 is now available, and maybe you'll like it. And of course, it's one of those possibilities of getting a web browser other than Google Chrome. So maybe you can take a look, and who knows, maybe you'll adopt Firefox 63. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.